Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to link DSers to AliExpress. So first, go to DSers website and create free account. Then go to DSers dashboard and look for the AliExpress integration or Connect AliExpress option. You will be asked to log into your AliExpress account, so enter your credentials and authorize DSers to access your account. After authorization, DSers will be linked to your AliExpress account, and then you can browse AliExpress, import products into DSers, and manage orders automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.